Let's now look at the configuration and pairing of a CarPlay like our Bike Play Pro. We take our BTR1 or BTR1 Advanced X, turn it on, and first of all, we pair the phone directly to the intercom. This is the very first step. We then use the volume plus button, so the main phone pairing. We enter the phone search field and confirm the pairing to the Midland BTR1. We confirm the association. Phone and intercom are paired. Well, if, for example, between your phone and intercom, we establish a Bluetooth connection, then between your phone and CarPlay, instead, we will actually establish a Wi-Fi connection. So we go into the Android Auto connection section of the CarPlay system. And once the Bike Play Pro is searching for a connection, we go ahead and look for it on the phone. At this stage, you should see it appear in the list of available devices. In the Bluetooth settings, in this case, initially you will pair it from the Bluetooth settings. So we confirm the Bluetooth pairing process also with the Bike Play Pro device. Now, you will notice that immediately after successfully establishing a Bluetooth pairing connection, the Android Auto system will be automatically activated on your device. At this point, the Bluetooth connection will then be disconnected, and in place of the Bluetooth connection, a Wi-Fi connection will be activated instead, allowing for a seamless transition between the two wireless technologies. This ensures that your device remains connected and functional throughout the process. So, the correct configuration of these devices is a direct Bluetooth pairing between your phone and intercom, and a Wi-Fi pairing between your phone and CarPlay. This setup ensures that everything works smoothly and as intended.